Hello students, welcome back to Friendful Learning. Today our lesson is about adding mentally. Adding mentally means we increase the number by tens. So if you want to familiarize yourself with this topic from the base, here is the topic for the beginners. You can go visit this link and this explains from the scratch. Go have a look at it and familiarize yourself how it actually works. Okay, let's get started. Here we have a number chart. Okay, so you can see in the number chart the numbers which are ending in zeros or the tens. If you by heart the tens tables, this lesson is going to be very easy for you. You can see the numbers in the number chart are ending with tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. You can notice that these numbers are ending in tens. As you add the numbers, they increase in tens and 10 from 10 it becomes 20, from 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100 and so on. Here is the sum for you, 12 plus 10. Let's see how we can add mentally and very fast. To start with, first you have to know the place values, that is ones and tens. What is in the ones place? 0. And what is in the tens place here? 1. Similarly, what is in the ones place? 2. And what is in the tens place? 1. You need to add ones to ones and tens to tens. I am adding 2 to the another ones number 0. So what's your answer is going to be? Well done, it's 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. And look here, we have ones in the tens place and another ones in the tens place. So we are going to add 1 and 1. So what is the answer? 1 plus 1, well done, it's 2. So answer is 22. When you add 10 to this number 12, it becomes 22. And further, if you add 10 to this 22, it will become 32. And if you add 10 to this 32, it will become 42. And when you add 10 to this 42, it will become 52. And it will keep on going. Now let's have a look at another sum. 34 plus 10. What is the answer for 34 plus 10? How you can add this mentally? First, for this, you need to add ones and tens, the place values to the numbers, so that it becomes easy for you to add the ones to the ones and tens to the tens. So what is in the ones place? We have 4 and 0. So what is 4 plus 0? Well done. It is 4. And now let's add the tens. We have 3 in tens place and 1 in tens place. So I'm going to add 3 and 1. So what is 3 plus 1? Excellent. Answer is 4. So 34 plus 10 is 44. Now let's have a look at the same sum in the number chart. That is, we had the number 34. When we added 10 to this, it became 44. And now, when we add 10 to this number 44, we will get 54. And when we add 10 to 54, we will get, well done, 64. And when we add 10 to this 64, we'll get 74. And it keeps going. Excellent. Now let's have a look at another sum. What is 17 plus 10? Always remember, you will add the ones to ones and tens to tens. So what is 7 plus 0? Well done, it's 7. And what is 1 plus 1? Well done, it's 2. So 17 plus 10 is excellent, 27. Let's move to another sum. What is 49 plus 0? The same way, always remember the place value in your mind. Add ones to ones, tens to tens. Let's get started. What is 9 plus 0? 9 plus 0 is 9. And what is 4 plus 1? 5. So now you got the answer. What is 49 plus 10? Excellent. There you are. 59. Now it's your turn. What is 56 plus 10? Can you guess? Pause the video, work on this sum and check your answer at the end. Wow, bravo! You deserve a star. Answer is 66. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning. Thanks for watching Friend for Learning. You can subscribe to my channel Friend for Learning on YouTube to receive more educational videos and visit my website www.friendforlearning.com to gain access to all my videos. Thank you and stay safe.